Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Cynthia. I'm glad to have you here. And if you're returning, welcome back. We are family now. So I'm about to go to bed. It's like 12:30 at night. I'm super tired and I was going to go ahead and put some oil on my scalp and do a quick scalp massage before I go to bed. And I thought I would bring you guys along so you can see one, how I make my oil mixture, and two, how I do my weekly scalp massages at night. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, then please stay tuned. So I go ahead and get some water going, and you'll see why in a second. The oils I'll be using today are coconut oil. I'll also be using extra virgin olive oil. And lastly, I'll be using a couple drops of peppermint essential oil. And I mix all of these in a color applicator bottle. It's easy for if you want to use the measurements and also applying the oil directly to my scalp. There was already some leftover oil in the bottle, so I'm just gonna include that. I'm not gonna waste that. And really, I try to fill up the bottle halfway. I do half coconut oil, half olive oil, but I'm using the last bit of olive oil I have, so that's all I could use for today. Then I go in with my coconut oil. This is solid at room temperature, so I usually just take a butter knife and scoop it and chunk it down into the bottle. And what you see me doing here is doing that, just chunking that coconut oil down into the bottle. So the coconut oil hasn't mixed with the olive oil, as you can see in the bottle. So to remedy that, I'm gonna pour some hot water into a bowl or measuring cup, and I'm gonna let that bottle take a bath so that that coconut oil melts and can mix with the olive oil. After about 10 minutes, the coconut oil has melted, so I'll take the bottle out, wipe it down, and I'll do this very carefully because the bottle is hot. And now I can pour in a few drops of peppermint essential oil. I do have a video on the products I use for my oil mixtures. I will link that in the cards. But you see me here pouring just a couple drops of that peppermint oil. It's very potent, so you only need a little bit of it. Please excuse that one lock that is being very disrespectful. But as you can see, I'm just spraying my hair down with my rose water mixture. Again, I will link my video in the cards on the products I use for my locks. I'm just wetting down my hair before I apply the oil, so that's what you see me doing now. Next, I apply the oil to my scalp. I have let this cool down. I did not apply this directly after I took it out of the water. That can be harsh on your scalp. Please don't do that. So I'm just gonna massage that in, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna explain the benefits of all of the oils that I put in that bottle. I love using these oils on my scalp because they provide antifungal and antibacterial properties. They help keep the scalp clean and free of dandruff and fungus and bacteria, and it provides excellent blood flow and circulation to the scalp, which leads to hair growth. Next, I'm putting on my bonnet to get ready for bed. I want to maximize the massage and the oils that are helping to circulate that blood flow by going directly to bed. So that's what I'm doing now. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you got a lot of information from it. Yes, I look good in my bonnet. I will see you all in the next video, and please make sure you subscribe.